I've already had a joint replacement. Can your program help? The answer is yes, for the following two reasons. The first reason is you can replace a damaged joint, but you can't replace the muscle dysfunction surrounding that joint that led to the joint damage in the first place. Take this study, for example. Prior to the joint being replaced, patients scored below average on all functional measurements and walked around with asymmetrical and abnormal movement patterns, meaning movement problems are significantly present prior to surgery. Now, maybe those movement problems are because the joint pain itself is altering motion, which brings me to my next reason as to why I'm saying my program can help you. After surgery and the joint pain was reduced, asymmetrical and abnormal movement patterns got even worse over time. As found in these 4 studies, which all show that symmetrical movement and imbalances increased and got worse long term. Said differently, the side that was operated on forced the opposite side to now move abnormally and significantly increased joint load force on the healthy joints, which may be the underlying cause of why 40% of people who have one joint replaced will need to replace the other side within 10 years. At the end of the day, improving symmetrical movement patterns will help. And that is what my program is specifically designed to help you do. Whether you've had a replacement or need one, we have to focus on the body around that joint if we want to improve quality of life.